Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. Our today's latest vlog, babalikan natin yung last year's latest vlog about the anniversary of Itbulaga. But subscribe to our YouTube channel kung sa mga likes, shares, comments, and views. Puti ng 500. I-support natin sa ating social media account. For latest vlog po natin for 2-8 episode 4-2-8. Yan. Entitled 46 before 47. Here's our vlog! Okay. Bago tayo sa ating present year, 2026, babalikan natin ang past, last year's 2025 2025 anniversary ng Itbulaga. So, watch this. Ayan. Kasi last year, July 30, that's Wednesday last year yun. Tapos, August 1, yung vlog about Ice Guerra meets Arboni Gabriel. August 3 naman, 2025, yung vlog last year sa anniversary vlog ng Itbulaga. I mean, sa Gabby's vlog ito. Ang title for latest vlog kasi last year, EB at 46. Sa ginanap last July 30, about the 46-year anniversary of Itbulaga sa TV5 Media Center. Along with OG Dabber Cats and special guests. Gaya ng mga OG Dabber Cats or recorded Dabber Cats like May Mendoza, Jowa Pa, Riza May Dizon, Miles Ocampo, Julia Barreto, Karen Eistruck, Atasha Mulang, Ice Guerra, Ian Red, Alan Kay, and the Singing Queen sa opening blast, Sugod Bahay, then Dabber Cats performance from the Broadway Boys and the E-Best Scholars, and Perapin, my special guest, warmer and guest Dabber Cats like Jimmy Santos, Julia Clarete, E.B. Babe, Ann Puleche, and Miss Universe 2022, Arboni Gabriel. Yan. And, for the closing remarks, napapasalamat ang Itbulaga sa tanghiling number 1 sa iyong lahat. At na yung celebration turns 47, makakaroon ng back-to-back na celebration ng Itbulaga. As we celebrate 47 years of Itbulaga sa ginanap ng back-to-back 2-day celebration. Tatatawag natin Itbulaga's 47th anniversary. The age is right para mag-celebrate this coming Thursday, July 30 at August 1, Saturday. Yes, next week na. Sa ginanap kung may bigger venue or sa TV5 Media Center, makita-kita tayo. May sorpresa ang mga Dabber Cats at may special guest pa sa ating anniversary. Ako, millennial ako, at yung mga Gen Zs, yung mga silent generation or yung baby boomers, yan. Lahat Gen X. Yan. All generations, lahat kasalo sa tanghalian na yung 47th anniversary. Kaya na yung Webes at Sabado na ang 47th anniversary parts 1 and 2 ng Itbulaga. Mapapanood sa kapatid platforms like TV5 and RPTV. Happy 47th advance anniversary ng Itbulaga. Hope to see you next vlog on Gabby's Vlog. Bye, God bless.